Uh, hey guys, welcome to our video tutorial. So in this video tutorial, we're going to see a new and an interesting journey with us. I'm actually very excited to take this journey with you. It's about mobile application development. So of course, it's an Android app, and we're going to use Android Studio as an IDE. So make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you will get upcoming videos. So let's get started with the prerequisite and course topics. So as a prerequisite, we will expect from our audience that you will know the basics of programming concepts, just the programming concepts like conditional statements, loop statements, and something like that. It will be very good if you have an object-oriented concept as well, and also basics of Java syntax. If you have any programming language, if you know any programming language other than Java, that's nice, or that's fine as well. But if you have basic understanding of or basic knowledge of Java syntax, it will be very helpful since we'll use Java in Android Studio. The other one, I'm not going to show you how to set up Android Studio on your on a computer, so you'll do that as well. So I'll expect these three things from you as a prerequisite. So to see the methodology, what I'm going to do is I will we have our own project ideas. I will explain them later, but I can accept any project idea from you. Just leave it in a comment section and try to be as brief as possible so that when I prepare a video, I'll try to explain the project idea as much as possible, and then we'll see how to design or how to create the user interface for that project and navigations as well. If we have multiple activities, we have to implement navigation as well. And so after we implement the design and navigation, we'll test the system. We'll test it in a device or in a simulator in Android Studio if you want. So after that, when we finish the design part, then we will go to the logic. So we'll see how to implement the logic, how to implement or how to write the actual code. Okay. So after we finish that, we'll also test the system in a device or in a simulator. But don't think or don't take this as a waterfall model. Okay. It's an agile model. So we do some simple design and we test it. We add something on the design. We test it. We test it. We test it. When we complete our design, then we'll go to the logic. So for that too, we'll test it continuously. Okay, so we'll implement some logic, then we'll make sure that our code works, and then we'll add something and we test that. We'll add something, we test that. So it's like an agile, where we'll use agile method. So this is what the methodology we'll use in the entire course, and I'll try to stick with it as much as possible. So to start with our topics, we'll start with simple projects to explain the basic programming concepts. Okay, like to show you how to create and run a project, I'll create hello world. Okay, so to show you how to read input from a user using text box, and also how to show an output to a user using toast, like a message box, I'll create a greeting project. To show you how to implement conditional statements or if-else statements, I'll create a simple calculator that can do just the simple for operations, right? So also to show you switch statements, I'll create simple tip calculator. And to implement array concepts and also loop concepts, for loop and while loop, I'll try to demonstrate it with a simple small dictionary application. Then after that, by now, we'll understand the basic programming concepts or the basic syntax of Android. Okay, we'll know how to take inputs, how to show outputs, how to implement conditional statements, and how to implement loops. So we have the basic knowledge. So what we'll do next is we'll try to implement an SMS manager or an SMS application. In this application, we just see how to send an SMS using our own code, not the SMS sending app from the Android operating system, but we can design our own SMS application. So we'll see how to do that. Just to show you how to take SMS sending features or how to use SMS sending feature of Android. Okay. Now, until now, what we did is we're trying to understand the basic programming logics in Android. Okay. Now we will start advanced course topics like how to load images and how to use preference settings. Okay, preferences like cookie in JavaScript. Okay, then we'll develop a sample project using load image and use preference topics. Okay, just to demonstrate those two topics, we'll develop a sample project. By the way, let me repeat it here. I'll take project ideas from you. So you can provide project ideas for all the course topics being grouped. I'll show you the rest soon. So you can provide simple project topics in the comment section, and I'll try to pick one for each group. Okay, so next what we'll see is how to play audio files and also how to play videos, including local videos and YouTube videos in our application, in our mobile application. Okay, so we'll do a sample project for these two concepts as well. Next, we'll see how to manage flashlights. Most smartphones have flashlights, so we can, we'll develop our own flashlight application, and also how to see pop-up messages or dialog boxes in Android. So based on these two topics, we'll try to develop a sample project, and then we'll see how to read GPS data. GPS data, most Android devices are capable of reading GPS location data. So we'll see how to read latitude and longitude data, and also how to read city and countries. And then we'll see how to check internet connectivity. If our phone is connected to internet using mobile data or using Wi-Fi, we'll see how to check this connectivity. And then we'll develop a sample project using these two concepts. Next, we'll see how to read QR code or barcode, and also how to capture photo and save it in our device. Okay, so after seeing these two concepts, we'll see a sample project, or we'll develop a sample project just to demonstrate these two concepts. And then we'll see how to record and save a video using our Android device recorder, and also how to load data in list view. Okay, we have a control called list view in Android, so we'll see how to use that, and then we'll develop an application just to demonstrate those two concepts as well. And now, by now, I hope you'll be capable of working in Android Studio. You will be familiar with Android Studio and Android concepts as well, and demonstrate and also use the features of an Android device. Okay, so now we'll see some advanced project topics that can incorporate all the basic concepts in addition to those advanced topics. Like we'll do a monthly expense manager app just to demonstrate how to create and manage databases in our phone. Okay, we have a SQL Lite database in our Android application, in our Android phone. Most Android phones will have a built-in database, so we'll see how to create and manage database. And then also we'll develop a family history tracker. Family history tracker means it's a family structure. Okay, from as much as possible we can we'll try to register our family members, and we'll try to map, okay, family members. So for that history to be managed or to be stored on our phone, we'll see how to manage text files, how to create and manage text files. So creating a text file, we can store all the information in that created text file. So we'll see that. And after that, we'll see a call log cleaner. Okay, in this app, we'll see how to manage call log history. We can read and manage. Manage means delete or update log, call log histories in our phone. So we can do, we'll demonstrate that by developing a call log cleaner app. Okay, it will just clean a specific number of phone calls. Okay. Okay, so as I tried to tell you in the previous slides, the idea here is I try to define the basic concepts with sample projects, but I also expect some project ideas from you. Okay, so you will tell me your ideas. Simple project ideas and a little bit advanced project ideas as well. Not that much, but some advanced project ideas as well. And I will try to create a video for each project as much as possible. So you will provide me your ideas, you'll tell me your ideas and your requests, and also your comments and suggestions for way forward. Okay, so I'll try to incorporate most of your ideas and requests in the upcoming videos. Okay, so also we have a website, freesampleprojects.com. So we'll have I'll post the project source codes in this website. We have already hosted project source codes in this website, so you can go and check. And every time we create a project, the project source code will be posted in this website. So you can check our website frequently to see updated or new projects. And also we'll have project ideas as well. Okay, so make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you'll get notification for our upcoming videos, and also like, share and comment on our video. So that we'll know what you think about our presentation, our video, and we'll make adjustments as we go along. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos. ቻናላችን አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። በዛውም እቺን የደውል ምልክቷን ክሊክ አድርጓት። ይሄ ማለት አዳዲስ ቪዲዮዎች እኛ ስንጨምር ዩቲዩብ ለእናንተ ኖቲፊኬሽን ይልክላችኋል ማለት ነው። እናመሰግናለን።